Hello, everybody. How are you all? So, my name is Soumya, and I'm your psychic reader, healer, and a stylist. So, today I'm going to do a quick energy update. What will happen after new moon? So, let's see what is the quick energy update. This is a collective reading, so this might resonate with you or not. Just take it as a general. This is a general reading, guys. Okay, so let's start with our tarot cards first, then I'll push to my oracle cards. So, what is coming there after full moon? Spirits, angels, please give me a quick energy update. So, what is coming after full moon? I sense here lots of miscommunication. In between, you guys are talking, in between, you guys are not talking. For most of them, you are having some communication problem. So, angel spirit, please guide me. What can happen after new moon? What gifts are coming up there for my viewers out here? So there is Ace of Cups, the very first card. Another card wants to come out, the Strength. So I'm sensing here most of you have done your healing very strongly. You are heading towards a new change. For others, I'm sensing you are still feeling like ignoring, like you are ignoring too many things to make yourself stronger. Maybe you are ignoring the best person who is in front of you. This person can be your soulmate, and I'm sensing like this person is your friend also, and you are ignoring them right now just because you want to protect yourself. And this could be even a good friend for most of you. For others, if you are in a relationship, yes, you are feeling low right now, and you are trying to make yourself stronger, and you are showing in front of others, yes, I am a strong person. And I can sense like you guys are having some dramatic change coming out here. Maybe for some you are taking help from your friends, and they are guiding you that you are stronger, you can do it, you are the bestest, so you don't have to give up. I'm sensing this kind of energy. Like for others, you will be having a big drastic new beginning, new love. You will be getting a new love. You will be attracting a new love. This person could be a fire sign, either Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Leo is very much strong here. Yeah, so there is very much Leo is very much strong over here. So what gifts are coming there for my viewers out here, for everyone who is watching on this video? The moon. So right now I'm sensing you're not working with your intuition. Universe is saying you to work with your intuition, take a help from your spirit guides, and you are like right now like you are thinking that your person is acting too shady. Yes, they can act shady. They can show you something else in front, right? And at back they are something else. It's like black and white totally in front of you. With the moon, I'm also getting sense like you are feeling you are going too low, like you are getting too much confused every day that whether your person will contact you or not, either you will move forward in coming future or not. But there is a justice written, so your karmic cycle is repeating for some of you. For others, I'm sensing yes, if you are thinking of divorce, yes, you will get a divorce. And if you think that you will pass your studies or anything you're preparing, yes, you will be getting the justice. So what is coming up there for new moon? Angel Spirit, please guide me. What is coming up there for new moon? Angel Spirit, please guide me. So I'm also sensing like right now if you could be in the energy of low vibes or anything, but in a new moon things will be changing up, and it fall down in with Ace of Cups. So definitely there will be big changes coming up your way, new big changes. So what gifts are coming there for new moon? Okay, I got here two cards over here. Okay, someone you are dealing with could be in the charts में basically there will be lots of like Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn and lots of Libra sign, Gemini sign. Okay, इनके charts में हो सकते हैं ये चीज़. So there could be a sign of like in your partner charts, either they could be a fire sign or Sun, Moon, Rising, 7th house, or incoming of Saturn planets. Check out your natal charts, guys. I'm not an astrologer, so I'm just saying with my intuition. So I'm sensing like you are dealing with a person who can be a rich person, a very much stable. This person is not going or leaving you anywhere. You would be stable with them. You could be stable with them. Okay, and I'm also sensing for most of you, you will be working on your business right now, and you might open your own business and set your own shop or cafeteria or anything. Like I'm getting vibes like that. And secondly, you will be like taking up so much ideas from your brains, and you know what is good for you, and you will be taking that sword and cutting off, and you will be moving just forward. You will be working with your intuition, and you are like, okay, I am ready. You will be thinking, for most of you, you will be thinking practically and spiritually both. For others, you can connect with water and manifest. If you want to manifest anything, just manifest in this full moon. This is very much important message to you all from my spirit guides. And let's see what is the end of the deck. 10 of the cups. So yes, this person is not going anywhere, and you will be having kind of marriage situation. This person want a happy family with you. So I sense here you might get a call, message, and if you are married over here, yes, you will be having a ravishing happy family after full moon. You might have 2 kids, and you will be just partying. I'm getting these kind of vibes. And those who were feeling low, you will be getting lots of high vibration now after full moon. There is someone new coming up there for you. Either this person could be a fire sign or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. It is all sign over there basically. So you could check in your natal charts what is coming up there for you. So what gifts are there in love after full moon? Engagement. So this person is coming up there for you with engagement ring. For others, this person will give you a commitment. Your love life is ascending to a higher level of commitment. So what gifts are coming there after full moon? Angels, spirits, please guide me relevantly. New love. Yes, I said there is a new love coming up. If you are waiting for someone who is your ex, please don't wait for them. Please don't be like this. You are wasting your own energy. You will be depressed whole time. So what is there for my people out here, new moon? So this is a true love. I told you guys, this is a strong connection with Ace of Cups and strength. And this person is a known new love and a true love, which could be your friend. For others, you are meeting a new person now. You are letting go your past now after full moon. So this could be the one. And let's see more. Calling in your soulmate. Wow. So you both are praying for each other that you should get engaged, and you know it that this is your correct partner, and you will feel the vibration. Yes, he's or she is the one for me. And like you will feel that connectivity between both of you right now, and your love will be becoming more stronger, even if you are trying to separate with them, or even if you are going in separation with this new person. So definitely you will be getting like attached all time, like you will be coming to one another all time. So let's see what universe has to say more. So what is there after full moon? Angels, will please guide me relevantly. What is there after full moon? I got too many cards here. So there is postponement, reverse, number 4. Within 4 days, you will get some message, inner voice. So listen to your inner voice, guys. Universe is saying you to please listen to your inner voice. You need to meditate. You need to think from your brains or heart. Just think wisely, especially from your heart. You should think from your heart more. And there is like intensity. So things will be coming up in a faster way once you listen to your inner voice and let go of your stress. And there is conditioning. So someone is coming towards you. This is a totally fire sign. They, in their charts, I'm sensing there could be lots of Leo energy. The lion can be their spirit animal. They love lion energy, and this person is very stronger. And for most of you, you will be conditioning like yourself. You will be knowing your inner self, inner soul, and you will be moving forward. You will be moving on very, very fast. So you don't have to feel like there is nothing, but there is everything in front of you. There is no darkness. Consciousness. Don't be conscious. Just listen to your inner voice. You have to activate your third chakra, and you have to do some Buddhist chants, Om Mani Padme Hum, or do any kind of Buddhist chants. Maybe you will be like getting your third eye opened. Then universe is saying you to just chant your favorite mantra or do anything and let go of your past, because once you let go of your stress, the postponement will be not there. Your things will be not postponed. Whatever you're thinking, it will be coming in very, very intensity. Like it will be coming in very fast mode. Sorry guys for some mistakes. And there is a burden. If you're carrying a burden, someone is there who is gossiping about you. Don't carry that burden. If you have your past and it's still haunting you, don't do that. Don't do that silly mistake. Just let go. And you know what is right for you guys. आपके पास keys है. You have the keys. Just open the gate and you will see the brightness coming out, and you can reach out your goal wherever you want to. So this was my reading after full moon. What can happen after full moon, the gifts for you. So let me know if anything happens, and if you felt anything resonated, do let me know and share your comments. Thank you. Bye bye.